show these skills that I own them. Some call me Nikki and some call me Roman. I'm a bad bitch, no muzzle.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is 5 a.m. and yes, I actually got out of bed.
I am tired.
And this is my 5 a.m. morning routine. As I wake my butt up at 5 something in the morning to come in this bathroom and wash my face and brush my teeth, I know you guys are wondering, why are you waking up at 5 in the morning, girl? Don't we all want consistency and balance? A habit is a routine or behavior that is performed regularly and in most cases automatically. For me, it's one simple goal: building consistency and finding balance again. After listening to podcasts and reading books and reflecting on my own habits, I had to realize that people who truly are successful share one thing in common, and that's structure. I've been on a journey of elevating my life for the past few years, but like most of us, life happens. I fell off my routines, I got distracted by other people's drama, and I lost total focus on me. But this time, it's different, setting these standards and making sure I'm setting a routine. With that being said, like myself, if there are any early risers, morning birds out here, let me know down below. Routines are not about perfection, it's about process. Have you poured back into yourself, focus on what truly matters, and fall back in love with discipline again? Well, I would just say my 5 a.m. morning routines have helped me reconnect with me mentally, physically, and emotionally, especially spiritually. All the kind of peace that I would never trade for nothing in this world, child. But let me keep it real with you, 5 a.m.s isn't easy. The cranky mornings, the midday crashes, child, the temptation, not even temptation, but you saw in the beginning, I hit that snooze button. It's real. The struggle is definitely real. But are the results worth it? That's the question. But they say practice makes perfect. So you always have to be consistent to see results. So is waking up at 5 a.m. or creating a routine worth it? Well, for me, the answer is absolutely. It's not easy, but there's growth in the process. It's worth the clarity. It's worth every morning having peace where you can actually sit here and meditate, talk to God, and really reflect on what you have to do for that day or for the week. It's just so much peace and worthiness in just having that time for yourself in the morning or at night if you prefer. Having a moment of gratitude is as important to you as it is to me. Here are 3 things that I've learned from waking up early and how I can make your morning routine a little bit easier or actually work better for you. My first tip will be give yourself grace. The first 30 to 60 minutes after waking up is the hardest. So ease yourself into your day. If you want to take that time to pray, journal, or just do some stretches in the bed, you can definitely do that. But don't get on your phone. Listen, don't get on your phone. It's a trap. One swipe, one click, it will just lead to keep going and going and going like Duracell battery. Do not get on the phone. Get away. Put it down. Tip number 2, this is the hardest tip. I am still working on this one, but to help avoid the midday crashes is to have a good nighttime routine. Like, it's hard for us to get into bed. We are tired. We have so much to do, but making sure that we go to bed on time so we can wake up on time will work out. Because if you go to bed late, you are not gonna be awake at 5. It's not gonna work out. I'm telling you right now. It's happened to me plenty of times. That's why the snooze is always going, or like I feel like I need to fall asleep, or I need sugar to keep maintaining throughout the day, which is not good and it's not really conducive to having a healthy lifestyle. So follow my words, don't follow my actions. But for real, having a good nighttime routine is everything. Tip number 3, this last tip has helped me a lot from strolling and just idly wondering. It is planning ahead. Don't wake up wondering what you need to do next, or have a daily plan, weekly, monthly, so you can stay productive, like without burning yourself out and wondering, what do I need to do? And then you end up picking up the phone, then you start strolling for hours, or you turn on Netflix and you just get into a series when you knew you had to edit that video, or you knew you had to edit that reel, or there's other things that you had to do, wash the dishes, cook the kids' meal. So just plan ahead and having a to-do list on what you want to do next throughout the day or hourly or however that works for you. That will make your day so much easier. I'm just attest to that because I wasn't always planning my day completely, but I have planned my day. I've tried it by hour, by week, by day, and either way it goes, it works out amazing. So helpful tip thing that I've learned throughout this process is structure equals peace. So if you're going for peace, I will say set yourselves up for success and create structure in your life any way possible. As you watch my morning routine and seeing how much I can get done and how beneficial it is to have structure in your life, are you going to create a routine that's going to make your life successful and easier for you to accomplish and be productive? Let me know down below. Drop some helpful tips of your routine or let us know what you are adding to your routine if you are going to create one. And we would love to know over here in Low Game. Also comment one of your morning goals for 2026 and we can come back and check this video and see if we have accomplished those goals and if we created structure in our life to have a successful life. As you guys can tell, my morning is packed with a lot of mental, emotional, and spiritual wealth because I'm in this journey of healing and setting boundaries. So I've learned to protect my peace and not allowing anyone or anything to block the path that God has for me. So if you're in the journey of elevating and growing like myself, make sure you subscribe to my channel because that's what we're doing over here. And don't forget to put your notification bell on so you know every time I upload and put a new video out. And yeah, drop below what city you repping, where you from, because I would love to know where all Low Gang is from. And yeah, let's keep the positivity going and the growth happening all 2026. I love you guys. Kisses from me to you. Bye.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today, make me wonder.